Hello, I'm Manuel Cuello, and this is my task how to make a better use of Tics in education. Okay, hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the correct use of technology in the classroom to engage and motivate students. Let's start by discussing the main ideas of the two videos we watched. Okay, in the first video, present a humorous scenario where a teacher interrupts math video, which leads to engage and embarrass situation. This video highlights the potential heroes misunderstanding that can occur with rarely too heavily technology fully understand its content. The second video offers a more critical view of traditional education, contrasting it with the demands of the modern world. Students express their frustration with an outdated educational system that's disconnected from their reality despite the use of technology. This video emphasizes the need for a significant shift in how we utilize technology in education. Um, let's start now. This is the two video. Now in comparison and contrast. Both videos address the use of technology in education, but from different perspectives. The first video is humorous and focuses on the failed interactions with technology, while the second video takes a more serious and reflective approach, questioning the effectiveness of technology within an outdated educational system. The first video highlights how technology can fail if not can used correctly, where the second video underscore how technology, even when used, may be allied with the used with the way used and may not be aligned with the current need of students. Suggestion for better use of technology in the classroom. Okay, from suggestion to improve the use of technology in the classroom, I suggest the following. First, training and deep understanding is essential that teachers fully understand the technological tools they use, avoiding misunderstanding and embarrassing mistake. Another half relevant integration. Technology should be used in ways that connect with the student and rela- re- relatives. This means selecting tools and connect that are relevant and used in their everyday life. About it, the criticism in the second video. Number three, interactive and participation. Technology should be used to the foster attitude from a student, not just a passive tool. This can include using interactive platforms, real-time polls, and collaborative projects. Number four, continuous evaluation. It's crucial to continuously evaluate the effectiveness of the technological tools being used and make adjustments as needed to ensure they are truly benefiting student learning. By the following, this social teacher can use technology more effectively, ensuring that students engaged and motivated on their learning. Thank you.